That's a cool plane. You see this plane, buddy? License if you can fly something like that. That's pretty cool. Come on, buddy.
Come on, this way.
Benson.
Benson. Come on, baby. What are you doing, bud? Let's go. Oh, we're coming right now, so. No. Yeah, we're right here. Yeah, that's where we are. We're right here. Okay, sounds good. All right. All right, bye. Hey, babe. He's right here. He's coming. Where you going? Hey, hey. Turkey. Where are you going? He's got a hat on and everything, babe.
I wore my dad's Kentucky hat yesterday when we was in Walmart.
Yeah.
I think it's that one.
Hey, buddy. 3. Hi. You're going on a parachute ride?
I can't believe you didn't want to YouTube this.
Huh?
I can't believe you wouldn't come to YouTube this. Your son's first airplane ride.
3.
What, you're on the
How did it go? Did you like it? Do you want to do it again?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, he's ready to go, but it's 25 for each of us.
I'm gonna go fish.
Vincent, no.
Here, babe. Do you want this?
Come on, Paul, go.
Get him.
Yeah, I got him. Look at this dude. Here, do that.
Might have a couple pilots.
Yeah. How much fun was it, 3?
Talk to Dad.
6, 7, 8.
Hey, how much fun was it?
6, 7, 8.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
I can transfer this video, can't I, over to you?
You can
Off
send
of
it to me.
Facebook?
Yeah, you can send it to me.
I'm gonna ride
Are you Facebook Live it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna ride on the little.
Look at that plane. It's got the propeller on the back. What are you saying?
Oh, he was loving it. We can only ride one plane.
You know who that is over there in the parachute?
Yeah, David Fallon. That's where we're gonna walk to. You see this later.
Wait, you have your wallet. Do you have it on you?
Yeah. Why?
Get his cup and get him something again.
You have your cup.
Feel the wheel?
The guy tried to send him sheep stuff.
Yeah, because I was on the phone. He had honed the cylinder.
That's my ride on one, Paul.
And your guy.
This is his son, Robert Murphy III, my grandson.
Taking him up yet?
Yeah, we just come off the airplane ride.
No, I mean talking in your power coach.
No, he's all over it though. He wants to.